Alright. Hey guys. Hello. Give me a sec, guys. Hey guys, can you write if you can hear me? Can you see me? Alright, nice. So what's up guys? We started a little bit early today. I think I'm gonna be starting doing streams much earlier than like about before 9:30, so we can go over like higher time frames, so we don't get rushed at market open. Most of the time we get smack a trade right on market open, and I don't want to be doing that. So I want us all to be on the same page. So when the time's right, we can smack that trade. So right now, Nuke aims at premium session high. It's displacing back down. It invests in trade. It invests the FEG with the volume imbalance. So we got an inversion there. I am bullish on the day. Right, I am bullish on the day. I am looking for 940 right now. I'm looking for 940 right now. But we might get a retracement down. We got 830 right there. Today is Monday. Our bot does not take a trade, so we'll have to resign to our own trading, manual trading. And today we took, I think, 3 trades or 2 trades, which made us about I'm up 600 something, but I think the majority is up about 500. We took 2 trades. We took this short right here, beautiful, from there all the way to the low of the day. Look at the low of the day. And then we took a long from here basically all the way to the top. I wanted one standard deviation here, but I didn't target that anyway. Now I just need to know how to make some music. We should put music in here. I really have no idea how to do it manually. I used to use something called Restream. But how's your days going? How did your day go on today, guys? Sorry, I can't speak right now. Like my English is crap right now. I've been studying German right now, just a few minutes ago. So, excuse me if I make some false statements. I can assure you it is not really my intention. Okay. So I'm expecting a little retracement. We've got 830, like I said, right here. So we'll start our analysis in like 2 minutes. We'll go over high time frame. We'll see how that goes. But I want to know how you guys are doing. Please write in the chat like how you guys are doing. Please like the video as well. It helps push us up. Matthias, I guess you're Joker, right? Nice, brother. The bot is, like I said just a minute ago, the bot does not work on Mondays. We have it turned off. Based on our settings, of course, you can go ahead and try the bot on Mondays, but based on my experience, Mondays is no usually most of the time there's no news. So it is a bit slow. However, you would have had a loss here, you would have had a win here, you would have had a win here. Yep, you would have had 2 wins, 1 loss. And I think we'll get another trade if we break this level right there. We'll get another trade. So yeah, so I think from now on our streams will be on YouTube. However, on YouTube there's a delay, so the club members in our Discord, the Shisha club members, will have the same stream either on Discord or on, like, I don't know, a different platform where they will have zero lag. All right, so you'll have instant no lag, so you'll both see the same stream. One of you will have some, I don't know, like 10-second delay, while the others will have 0 delay. Okay, I think that's kind of fair. Maybe I can increase the delay, but we'll see. I'll discuss this with you guys later on. So yeah, we'll start our analysis in like about 15 past. I think that gives us about 15 minutes before market open. Meanwhile, I need to get some music in here. What was I gonna say? Music. If I do this, can you guys hear it? Royalty free music. Give me a second. Let me know if you guys can hear this music. Yeah, can you guys hear this music? I have some music in the background. If you can hear it, let me know if it's too loud or if it's not too loud. Alright, so you can hear the music, right? So Nuke MSAT premium session high. We might get retracement, but I'm overall bullish on the day. And I want 940. I think I will get it by market open. We might retrace back into like this area here, push back up. Alright, cool. Please make it interactive. Please keep chatting, asking questions. Remember, this is not a signal service. This is a learning service, okay? Everybody on YouTube will be like, they will be like 15 years old streamers. They were like, oh, I've been trading for 10 years, bro. Like, you were trading while you were 5 years old. I've been trading with you guys for 5 years, alright? So with the Discord for 5 years, that's like on record. Off record, I've been trading since 2016. And just pure ICT, there's nothing, I've never jumped out of ICT. Like, I don't even know how to use the EMAs, to be honest with you. I've never used them. Most people start there and then move themselves into ICT. So if you have questions, please ask them. This is the opportunity to learn. And as if you notice from every stream, we basically pretty much use the same concepts every single time. Like, there's millions of ICT concepts, but we use like 3 or 4 of them, and we just never change them. It's not like, there's this setup here, this is this model here, we can use it. No, we're always just looking for the same model. So, I think we can go ahead and start our higher time frame market analysis. So on the weekly, let's go ahead and remove everything. On the weekly, guys, what do you guys see? When I open the weekly, remember we got maximum 1 minute for the all high time frames analysis. So we got a weekly FEG. That's very pertaining to us. We can go ahead and label it. What else is there? Big wick. Immediately you draw the midpoint of the wick. What else is there? Another big wick. Draw the midpoint of that, and that's basically our 9.4 ATP that I'm looking for. Also, we got quadrants like 25%, 75%. I think we're at 25% right now, but pretty much I think we're gonna go there. All right. So since it's a huge wick, I don't think we'll come back to London lows. So there's really no need for me to draw that 75%. I don't think we'll come back all the way down here to go back up there. I don't think so. I think we'll come back to that, at least to this candle's opening price before we push up. So I'm just gonna keep it at equilibrium. That's for the weekly. We drop down to the daily. On the daily, we all immediately see that we have, again, big wicks, but we are very far away from that. What do we have here, guys? What do we have here? We have literally nothing except all-time highs. We have the midpoint of this wick. This is a big wick, actually, so we can go ahead and label that big wick. What else is there? We drop down to the 4 hours because there's literally nothing there. On the 4 hour, we have these highs. That's important for us. What else we have? We have this FEG. So basically this BPR right there. So that's really, really important place to look for shorts. Alright. And eventually we got this. Very tiny. I don't think we'll get to it today. But if we do push up, we might be heading there. Drop into the 1 hour. Let me go ahead and make this white because it's easier to see. So we got this target very close to us. So maybe if we tap this highs, turtle soup into this FEG and this into this BPR as well, we might have a chance to go back down. But everything is showing bullishness, right? It's been very bullish. It's accumulating here inside this 4 hour, just below these lows. It always does that. 15 minute, on the 15 minute, we have this low there, which is pretty much new game low. And we got this current highs. Do we have anything pertaining here? We have this 50-minute inversion. We got this 15-minute, and we got this little tiny FEG. We might wick into that in that market open. We might wick into this 15-minute. Other than that, gonna go ahead and change this color. Actually, we can keep it there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. We can check the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, is there anything important? We do have this breaker block, low, lower, low, higher, high. So we have this breaker block right there. Breaker block with an FEG and a BPR. Perfect. So if I'm gonna look for longs, I'll probably look for longs right here or inside this area. This would be the best entry right here. This would be like absolutely insanely good entry right there. Other than that, do we have anything else? We do have these breakers, but we're a bit below it, so I'm not gonna go ahead and draw them. Gonna draw back to the 3 minutes. Go back to our usual stance. Market open about 10 minutes. So you guys saw we have everything outlined on the high time frame. So based on the high time frame, I think we go higher. On the lower time frame, since we have a session sweep, we're looking a bit bearish. How is our bias and narrative indicator saying? It's saying the last thing it did was the SMR. If you want to check the higher time frame candles to just see pretty much if we're going to close below or above, we'll have a look right now together. Will you start that challenge method in Discord on Friday? Oh yeah, yeah. We're gonna be trading a Tick Trader funded account. The reason why I chose that firm is because you can instantly start a funded account. You don't need to go through that evaluation phase. So everybody's going to be on the same page. I was planning to start it today, however, they did not reply to me yet. So I could not start. So I think we'll start tomorrow. Oh, they responded to me. Let me see. Oh, awesome. Okay. So I just got the email today, just now. So I don't think I'll have time to buy the account right now, but to get started today. But I think we'll do it tomorrow. You guys can, however, start today, or I think wait for me tomorrow. Oh, finally. Yeah, wait for me for tomorrow. Or if you want, you can start today. Okay. If you guys want, you can start today. I recommend everybody to get on this challenge. This is a challenge where we will be trading everybody the same account. It's going to be a funded account, no evaluations, so nobody's left behind. And it's 99 bucks, I think, so it's pretty much the same price as any other firm. Even cheaper if you include the activation fees. So, and we'll hope to get a payout in 10 days, right? So by watching, you'll hope to get a payout. I'm going to be trying to I'm going to try to get that payout from the account. I will start together, right? I will do, for example, we need only 250 bucks a day, but I will do maybe like 300 bucks of profit just in case. So if someone got a bad fill, everybody will have that variance taken into account. So everybody will be above 250 bucks. Okay. So looking at the high time frame, this is the 30-minute candles. We still bullish. We did not close above this. We did not wick this high and come back close below. We're going for this low. If we sweep this low and come back close above, we'll probably be in the bullish stance again. But right now we're bearish. Obviously we're very bearish on the lower time frames. Okay, that's momentarily. The smart money are probably gonna look for bring the price a little bit down into a better place, maybe around this area, before flying up. I don't think we'll test the NWAG again. It would be really stupid. If I was the algorithm, I would not be looking to go lower than this NWAG. So please use code Shisha and grab a Tick Trader account. Okay, grab one. I think the deal ends tomorrow. September 30th. Yeah, it ends tomorrow midnight. So grab a couple accounts while they're literally cheap. Like honestly, it's a game changer. I just honestly wish they did bring this back, like broke this way long ago. Because I'm sick of evals. Anyway, so let's check the 5-minute. How did the 5-minute do? Probably they did the same thing. We'll see how the high time frames did. Then we can go ahead and turn it off because I don't like too much stuff on my chart. Alright, same scenario on here. So, yep, same scenario. Moving back to the 3 minutes. I'm looking to play a really small size because I think if we push up, we will have really nice potential, at least to do standard deviation and then essentially 55 points. Didn't really plan on trading today in AM because we traded twice in London. We did good, but so we can maybe risk 200 bucks and still be up on the day. I'm up 600, you guys are up 500, so if we risk 200 bucks, I don't think it's gonna kill us. We'll still be up 300. Maybe we can even risk 300. We'll see. If you already traded your Tick Trader account, please do not use that account. Please use a different account, okay? Please like the video, guys. It literally takes you 1 second. Alright, if this was a sweep bot, it will be looking for a trade right around this area. I think at market open it will just smack all the way up. Guys, please be interactive. Write in the chat. Tell us how you're doing. Tell us what you're looking for. Are you guys bearish? Are you guys bullish? Are you guys... Just talk. If you're new, say your greetings. Tell us who you are. We're getting dropped before market open. I'll be looking for an entry here. I don't know if we go for these lows, to be honest with you. I don't think we should. But since Nuke aims at London highs, it might want to start cracking. But I like how it's dumping before market open. That means market open is likely to... Alright guys, we're gonna probably take 2 micros here. I'm gonna go ahead and try 2 micros here. I don't like entering before market open, but we're filled in right now. I think we'll have about 100 bucks of risk, 90 bucks of risk. Alright, the sweep bot took a short here and it would have took out already the profit somewhere around here. Right, yeah, that's a bit early, but it's only 90 bucks of risk, so I'm fine risking that. We'll see. We got market open in a few minutes. Alright, at this rate, it may want to go for these lows, to be honest with you. Got this mitigation block. So might as well just keep stop loss just below it. Very, very early trade. I was not expecting that. Let's see if we can survive 20 in 1 minute. Market will open. Hopefully, it will just fly back up. But at this rate, we're probably gonna stop that before even market opens. If that's the case, I think we'll get stopped out right now. Market open will definitely take out that low. Imagine not. He has 30 seconds to move away from this area. At least come back and close above this. Otherwise, it's gonna wick that low. I want to move my stop loss below this end dog, to be honest with you. How much would we still risking? But I don't think at this rate we're gonna probably crack very fast. Might as well just let it hit us. Alright, market open in about 5 seconds. Be ready to take another micro trade, okay? Be ready to take another long if we get stopped out. Alright, market open. It's probably gonna stop us out. Coming that close to this low and not taking it. Oh, it took that low. Okay. That's a very slow market open, but yeah, it's probably gonna flush back down. It wants that end dog right here. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit bearish right now. I think we'll get stopped out. We're not out of the water yet. It probably wants that end dog, like I said. We got little FEG here as well. You may want to bounce into it. So instead of getting stopped out twice, I think I'm gonna move my stop loss below this end dog. We'll still be risking only 130 bucks, so it's not really much. For TP, I really don't know. Are we back to break even, coming back down? Probably. Like I said, we're not out of the water yet, guys. Don't be happy. Don't be too happy. We want to go at least above this. These candles are to these lows, so this here inversion of this FEG, 3-minute FEG, will be very crucial for us. This can easily flip back down and go for this end dog. That's why I'm not adding right now. I don't trust it too much. Price wise, we're in a very good place for the long. Time wise, we're also in a very good place, market open. However, what just happened before market open, that little dump was a bit excessive. Like a Judas, I want the market open to do the Judas. I don't want the open to be the expansion, you know? We got this FEG. I think we can go to 2 standard deviations, or at least 1.5. I still think it's gonna flush down, guys. Sorry for not being optimistic, but I'm a realist guy. I have instincts that it's gonna flush back again. Okay, I like that. We had 4-hour low highs, right? Right here. Okay, we might be able to target those. And even 1.5 standard deviation is there. Yeah, I think we might be able to get there. But I think we get stopped out a couple of times before we go there. This is a high quality FEG with an order block and a breaker block. So this is our breaker block, is holding. Yeah, I told you guys, we're not out of the water yet. This market open, just, we don't want it to do the expansion, because any expansion up is going to be a manipulation. So right now it's 50-50, guys. That's why I'm not adding to the position. I'm willing to risk that 130 bucks on this trade. Do we go for London lows? We do have this trend line liquidity. We got this high, we got 1.5 standard deviation, and we got the buy side. Hopefully it just keeps on expanding. I need to stop clicking buttons, guys. I don't want to keep trading. We're up good on the day. Please like the video. Does it go back to that low? It's a very good question. We were literally like 2 points away from getting stopped. Market open being that delicate is insanely scary. Can anybody tell me if we got news today? We need to invest this. Very crucial, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe de-risk a bit. I'm using 20-minute, but just orange pending home sales. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So at 10 o'clock, right? So still no closure above this 3-minute. Very dead market today. It's Monday, there's no news, so the market, the action, it'll probably go where you want it to go, but it's gonna be a high resistance. It's not gonna be like straight to targets. It's gonna go in your favor, come back all the way to break even, go back into your favor, go back to break even. It's gonna be a lot like that. Maybe even stop you out a couple of times, but eventually we'll get there. That's why we don't let the bot trade on Monday, and that's why I trade the London, mostly twice in London in Mondays. Because New York AM, plus we expanded a lot. Like we already expanded in London and Asia. Like after this much movement, you don't expect too much expansion, right? So the market literally moved up 150 points. Even pretty much earlier from here. About 200 points. So don't expect it to go much. Also, it's swept previous session high, so it's gonna probably play London range, high to low maybe, but if we take out the low, we're gonna crack very hard. We'll see how it goes. We've got macro starting in about 5-10 minutes. We'll see. Guys, whoever joined new, please grab a Tick Trader account. It's 70% off, or $99 on your first try if it's your first purchase. We're gonna be trading this account tomorrow. It's gonna be instant funded account, so we're gonna be hoping to get a payout in the next 10 days from it. Okay. So if you want to join, do that, okay? Nobody does that on the internet. Everybody trades, like one trades at Nival, one trades paper trades, one trades a funded, one trades a 150k account, but people don't try that. So it's gonna be the same account. Everything is controlled. All the variables are controlled. We either win together or lose together. We either win and get a real payout, or lose together and build that account. Still no closure above this inversion. In my honest opinion, everybody that was shorting here got trapped. We got 830, that's what we're playing. We're playing 830 as well, that's why we're failing to break it. We bounced from this NWOG and it's 930, so hopefully if we can get closer above 830 it would be great. You guys see? If we get a closure about 830 it would be really nice. It would be really nice. We got this FVG as well, which I did not see. Damn. Oh, there's one here, yeah. This one's not really that important. This one's really not that important. We got to change state of delivery here. If we get a closure above. Technically, wicking through it is a change state of delivery, but I don't really trust that. And we're getting a chosh as well. We're getting that push now. We're going for the 4-hour buy side. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Let's fucking go. Just like that, guys. Beautiful. 4-hour highs. We just got 4-hour highs. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful. Whoa, that's a nice pump. That's a nice pump. That's a nice pump. Can we get doubles in the chat? And that's it. I think we're up 800 on the day today. 3 out of 3 wins. So we are literally right now we're at 97 winning days. Thank God. Always right, thank God. Beautiful, guys. We had a high time frame. We started the stream at 9 AM. We did our high time frame analysis. We found that 4-hour highs is very close. Our next target is the 2 standard deviations followed by 940. My 940 is my drawn liquidity. I want the market to go in that direction, but I don't need it to hit where I want it to hit in order for me to make money. I just need to be on that line. So if I think it's gonna go up, I'll find that nearest target. I didn't target these quick highs. These are really nice targets, but since they're really lying beside them is this 4-hour buy side, we'll go for that. That was beautiful, guys. Go ahead to 2-4 account. Nice. Matus said nice. Got it to 4 account. You got it to 4 account. What does that mean? You copy traded 4 accounts. Nice. 4 account. 4 account. What does that mean? You copy traded 4 accounts. What does that mean? You copy traded 4 accounts. Nice. 4 account. What does that mean? You copy traded 4 accounts. Nice. 4 account. 4 account. What does that mean? You copy traded 4 accounts. Nice. We're pushing up. We finally hit 2 standard deviations. That was our second trade. I think we'll go for 940. That was perfect, guys. We caught absolute dead out. We're going for that. We're going for that 940, guys. We're going for it. 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 940. Guys, we could have held that trade, dude. We could have held that trade. Nice, brother. You copied 4 trades. Nice one. Yeah. 940 is my drawn liquidity. That was fire. If you missed that while we took this trade, etc., etc., you can rewatch the stream. But I'm gonna be making a small market review, about 3 to 5 minute video about this, so you guys can learn it. Basically, every trade we take is almost the same, guys. Every trade we take is pretty much the same. So if you just learn it, if you just spend an extra, like if you today don't go out and you sit down, watch our review or watch our stream again, you will know what we do, because we've been doing it every day. Like we're at 97 winning days streak, 97 trading days, guys. I'm not even counting the calendar days. That's way more than 100 days. We had 1 break-even day, 1 loss on a different private text alerts, but that's pretty much it. There we go. 940 is inbound. 940, 940, 940. Beautiful. No, that's fire, guys. That's fire, guys. Today we had 3 trades. We got this short. We shorted here, and we got out literally at the low of the day. Now we longed here again. We got out almost at the high. Then we longed again from the bottom. Got out the high. We wanted 940, but I didn't want it to get to 940 for me to make money. I'm content with that, guys. We're up about 800 today. Risking $200 per trade. Beautiful. 940 hit. I also pinged the Discord, guys. Hope you guys made out money on that as well. So now, where do we go next? I don't know. That 940 level was the midpoint of this weekly candle. This. Where we at right now? I think we might get a reversal somewhere around here. We're at 3 standard deviations almost. We're also at 940, a really high time frame. That's a weekly midpoint, guys. We trade the 1 minute midpoint of wicks. Imagine a weekly. It's bound to do some stuff. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Today we stream every day on Discord. Today we stream on YouTube, just to broaden our community. We're trying to keep it very tight, small community. We don't want that much eyes on us, but every now and then we do want to grab some few new people's eyes. If you want on Discord, you get zero delay. On here I think you get about 5 second delay. So join our Discord, guys. You never regret it. This goes in description. It's just discord.gg shisha traders. Just write shisha traders anywhere, on Discord, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, Shisha Traders, on YouTube, you'll get the same answer. So from here, where do we go, guys? I have really no idea. But what I do know is, we got this N-Wog, right? We got this N-Wog. We got this N-Dog. What do I teach you guys always? Find, this N-Dog is very far away. You cannot look to target it. So what you do is, you find this high, low of this N-Dog, find it to this N-Wog. You get that event horizon is literally, that was one of our secret targets as well. Closure above event horizon like this means we're gonna go there. Means at the end, by the end of today, not by the end of the week, by the end of today, if this candle closes like this in 10 seconds, this N-Dog will be the drawn liquidity. Now you can put like maybe 1 or 2 micros, run stop loss at the lows and then just target it. You can. But that just gives you the bias, alright? If you think it's gonna expand much more than this, yep, it closed. So I think this is my drawn liquidity. 996. About 80% of the time, it will reach that area. Now it may come back down to this event horizon. It may come back into this breaker block. Low, lower, low, higher, high. We got stacked breaker blocks in between, by the way, but just using the whole thing. You got a breaker block. You got an FVG, and you got a small thingy as well here, and a bearish FVG, a CB and a BC. So where they intersect is your BPR. So if you really, and you got London highs as well. So if you want, maybe perfect entry would be something like this, and you would target this. Alright, if you want to be like, if you want like the best entry, of course you can play with your stop loss a little bit, maybe below these lows. That would be like the best perfect entry. If you want like a more wiser entry would be here. Otherwise, any random entry inside this area and target this, but it's gonna probably take the whole day. Alright, it'll probably take the whole day. It'll probably take the whole day. It doesn't mean it's gonna do it right now. It just means it's gonna do it today. Probably by the end of the AM session. One more secret about Mondays, if that nobody teaches you, if Monday has no news, like people say no news Monday, I don't trade no news Monday, those people just learn something and they like to share. Oh, I don't trade no news Monday. Then check your account, they'll be trading 24/7. That is, no news Mondays it just means it's less probability, right? However, when you see Monday moving, like expanding, it means it's probably gonna expand a lot, like couple hundred ticks, or couple like 100 or 200 points, couple hundred points from the open. Right, that's something you don't learn everywhere. But yeah, like I said, best entry is this BPR, second best entry is here, and then any entry around this event horizon. When it was here, I said any entry around here is fine to go there. I will not be taking this because we took one win here, another huge win here, and another nice win right here. So that's on a Monday. Yep, it's pushing. Did you guys, anyone of you caught the entry at event horizon, like 2 micros, just a starter? You put a starter on and you be like, fuck it, and you just hold there, alright? That's the only time where I'll be like, as soon as I see this, I'll smack 2 micros, put a wide ass stop loss and wide ass TP. I don't watch the chart anymore. I don't care what happens. Does it reverse, pump, closure? Does it consolidate? Does it accumulate? Does it expand? Does it reverse? It doesn't really matter. The drawn is going to be priced in. You know when they say it's priced in? That's when it means, that's one of the signatures where you can know it's priced in and get in ahead of the move. Now normally when that happens, it's going to be a very wide stop loss, so you're not going to be able to put like 15 minis on and then say, oh, I'm going to make generational wealth today. No, you probably will get a nice entry, but your stop loss would have to be really far, like 300 ticks, 84 points. With 2 micros, that's about $300 to make it essentially about $300 as well. That's worth taking, you know. Any questions regarding that? Event horizon is very powerful concept. I really recommend you guys to actually utilize it. Even like an entry here. But if you get a bad entry here, of course you can add more to your size. No financial advice, but like you'd be like, okay, if I take a trade here, stop loss at the low, that'll be $200. So I want to maybe risk just $200 and then to make it about 400. Perfect. Or maybe I want to risk $400 to be making about 800. Absolutely great. But always a good starter is at that event horizon. However, if we wicked event horizon and cracked back down, then that will tell you that, okay, we're leaving this end up to a different day. Okay, this is very important, guys. I think this piece of knowledge has probably a 99% win rate. Don't want to say 100 because then I'll go into financial advice. It's claiming shit, but every single trade like this we took it. If we did not take this trade, I would have been on this trade. So, any questions, guys? You guys have any questions? I still don't see that many likes on the video. We're here making you money, guys. We're here making you money, right? 97 days, we've been making you money. And there's few kids who buy botted accounts and then somehow they get famous and they don't even trade, bro. There's few traders, popular traders that I know and I'm close with, and they publicly told me that they spent $200,000 on evals just this year. So in 9 months they spent 200K, right? I don't even have that money. So stop following these people, guys. Stop following. Everything is executed. You can see the executions. We take them in front of you guys every single time. If I lose, I lose. You lose, you lose. We lose the same thing, we win the same thing. I don't do this like, okay guys, I'm long. I don't say like, okay guys, I'm long from here while the market is here while it's pumping. Okay guys, I'm in the longs. Dude, but you didn't tell us. That's one thing they do. Another thing is like, okay, I'm taking this trade. Alright, but how much are you risking? They'll probably take 10 minis and they make 10K and like, oh, I made 10K on this trade. You will be like, I can't afford this. I took 2 micros. If this trade works out, you made $200, they make 2K. Then the next day, you're like, oh, fine, I'm gonna go 10 minis. You're gonna go 10 minis, but in reality, they're taking like 1 or 2 micros, or like they can heavy size on a demo account, or like an eval. And discrepancy, like, I mean, go ahead, join these other people. I'll pay you. I'll buy you subscription in these other people's discords. And tell me, guys, DM me, tell me, look, I wanna join this discord. It costs this much amount. I'll buy you an account. I'll buy you a subscription. I don't care. I've been in them for years. And if you get a payout from them, you pay me back. If you don't get a payout from me, I'll just kick you out of Discord. That is how confident I am. No, it's not ego. It's just. In fact, all the good traders in their discords are with us. They left there and joined our discord. We've got like, for example, Prince. Prince is printing like 10K a day. Taking like 1 mini, making 10K a day. Not even copy trading. Actually, he's copy trading 5 accounts, yeah. We're gonna be copy trading. We're gonna be copy trading as well, guys. I'm gonna be buying 5 accounts as well, copy trading them. Because that's how you attract attention, right? No, I'm just kidding. But please join our funded account challenge, guys. Starting tomorrow, 30 September, everybody by then grab a tick trader account. The reason why I say this, and I repeat, is because it's an instant funded account and it's a firm I trust. I want everybody about fast track trading that are going to be a scam, but tick trader, it's the first firm I've ever used, and I've been trading prop funds for like since 2016. Second thing is it's instant funded, so it's going to be the same size for everybody, 50K, account funded, so there's no eval, there's no description. See, if I'm winning, you on eval, I'm on the funded, you're on eval, you're on eval, I'm on a funded, or I'm on an eval, you're on funded. None of that shit, okay? And we just need to be making 250 bucks a day. After 10 days of 250 bucks, if we do 10 days, we'll get payout. There's no rules, there's no consistency, there's no dumbass rules. It's like literally, I don't know what it is, and there's no dumb eval or activation fee. You just grab it and you instantly grab the account now, take a trade, make 5k, it's your 5k. There's no rule. But don't do that. Do not trade that account, only trade it with us on live stream, okay? We're gonna be all trading the same account. Hopefully all of us get the payout, okay? Do not at home, like, let's say we made 250 bucks today, and then at night, don't come like, oh, I see a setup, I'm gonna take the trade full size. Don't do that. Just grab another account and then do whatever you want with that. But this specific account, keep it for this live stream, okay? Sacrifice it for this live stream in the hope for a payout. Any more questions, guys? If no more questions, I think we can go ahead and end the stream. Any questions? We're up 800 bucks. We're up 97 winning day streak. 97, guys. People boast to take 3-4 trades a month and they say we're up. We grin on the month. That's bullshit. We traded every single trading day in the past 100 days, and I'm still psychologically here. Mainly because I'm a physician. I'm a doctor, so I work. I thrive in stressful conditions. So maybe that's the secret. I don't know, but like I don't care. This win streak can end at any time, and it really does not matter. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow if there's no more questions. All right, join our Discord, guys. Join our Discord. Make new friends in our Discord. Stop joining different Discords every single time. All right, love you guys. Peace. See you guys.